Ever heard the saying, there's no such thing as a free lunch? Well, when it comes to investing, that might not be entirely true. There are platforms out there promising commission-free trades and easy access to the market. But can you really grow your wealth without spending a dime? Let's dive into one such platform, Wealthsimple, and see if it lives up to the hype. Wealthsimple has taken the investing world by storm, particularly with younger demographics. Their sleek app, user-friendly interface, and focus on fractional shares make them attractive to anyone dipping their toes into the market for the first time. But before you download the app and start buying bits of Apple and Tesla, understanding their fee structure is crucial. The answer, like most things in finance, is, it depends. Wealthsimple offers a tiered system, with some aspects free and others incurring fees. Here's a breakdown of their key offerings. Free stock and ETF trading. This is the big draw. Wealthsimple boasts commission-free trading on a vast selection of stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. This means you can buy and sell these investments without paying a fee per transaction. That's a significant advantage compared to traditional brokerages that can charge hefty commissions, especially for smaller trades. The catch, while the trades themselves are free, there are a few hidden costs to consider. First, currency conversion fees. If you're trading US-listed securities, Wealthsimple charges a 1.5% fee to convert your Canadian dollars. This can eat into your profits, especially on frequent trades. They do offer a USD account option with a $10 monthly subscription fee that waives the conversion fee, but that adds another layer of cost. Managed investing. This is where things get a little more complex. Wealthsimple offers automated investment portfolios designed by their team of advisors. These cater to different risk tolerances and financial goals. There's a catch, though. Managed portfolios come with an annual management fee that typically ranges from 0.5% to 0.7% of your invested assets. While this might seem insignificant, it can add up over time, especially compared to the free trading options. Cash accounts. Here's a nice perk. Wealthsimple offers a no-fee cash account that pays a competitive interest rate on your uninvested funds. This is a great way to park your emergency savings while still earning some return. So, is Wealthsimple truly free? Not entirely. The core functionality of stock and ETF trading is commission-free, making it a great option for beginners looking to build a diversified portfolio without getting hit with per-trade fees. However, currency conversion and managed investing fees can add up. Here's the takeaway. Wealthsimple is a fantastic platform for beginners and casual investors who want to dabble in the market without hefty commissions. Be mindful of the 1.5% currency conversion fee if you're trading US securities. The optional USD account subscription might be worth considering for frequent traders. Managed portfolios offer convenience, but the fees can add up. Do your research and weigh the cost against the benefit. The no-fee cash account is a great bonus for parking your savings and earning some interest. Ultimately, Wealthsimple can be a valuable tool for growing your wealth, but it's not a magic bullet. Understanding their fee structure and how it aligns with your investing goals is key to making informed decisions. Remember, investing involves risk, and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Do your own research before putting any money into the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.